Okay, so our next step after the power supply and disk drive is the hard drive. The hard drive will go in one of these slots right here, where you can put multiple hard drives. And our book says for hard disk drive, find the mounting rails in the screw bag, attach the rails to both sides of the hard drive. So this bag contains our mounting rails, and it also contains the screws. And so we'll go ahead and open the hard drive. Here we have hard drive. And along the side here is where we're putting the mounting rails. So now we're going to put on these mounting rails. And as you can see, there's a few of them, so you can put in multiple drives. So we just need 2 of these, one for each side. And they just go on like that. You just do that for both sides. They easily push in. Alright, and then our booklet says align rails with hard drive bay and insert. So we're going to do it on the second one down. And you just put it in there, slide it in, it slides in fairly easy. Okay, and when you push in this hard drive, you just squeeze these 2 lightly, push it in, and let it go, and it's secure in there. It doesn't move unless you push them in and pull them back out. And in the book it says a 2.5-inch hard drive can be installed at the bottom of the case underneath the 3.5-inch hard drive cage, and secure the bottom drive as indicated by the red circles. And that's if you want more hard drives in there. If you have a small one or whatever, it'll go right here underneath this drive in this 3.5-inch cage, but we don't have one of those, and we just have the 3.5-inch drive.